If you encounter the update unavailable with this Apple ID message, you can follow the methods below to troubleshoot the issue step by step. Fix 1. Force quit the App Store. Force quitting the App Store can fix cache or background service issues, refresh the app process, and help restore Apple ID verification. Step 1. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Step 2. Find the App Store and swipe up to close it. Step 3. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the App Store. Step 4. Try updating the problematic app again. If the issue is caused by an App Store cache error, this method can usually restore the update function quickly. Fix 2. Force restart your iPhone. Force restart your iPhone to clear temporary iOS glitches that may prevent Apple ID verification, App Store services, or app updates from working properly. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and side button together until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, press and hold the home button and side or top button together until the Apple logo appears. After restarting, open the App Store and try updating the app again. Fix 3. Reinstall the problematic app. The error may occur because the app is tied to another Apple ID. Deleting and reinstalling the app can remove the old account link and let you download it using your current Apple ID. Step 1. To delete the app from your iPhone, touch and hold the app icon, tap Delete App, then tap Delete to confirm. Step 2. To reinstall the app, open the App Store, go to Purchased, find the app, and tap the iCloud download icon to reinstall it. Fix 4. Sign out and sign back into the App Store. An App Store login issue can cause the update unavailable with this Apple ID error by blocking Apple ID verification. Signing out and back in refreshes authorization and reconnects Apple's services to resolve update permission problems. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap your Apple ID account at the top. Step 3. Select Media and Purchases. Step 4. Tap Sign Out. Step 5. Sign in again with your Apple ID. Fix 5. Reset network settings. App Store updates may fail due to network issues affecting Apple ID verification. Resetting network settings can fix connection problems without deleting personal data. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Step 2. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. Fix 6. Update iOS to the latest version. Updating an outdated iPhone iOS version can cause App Store compatibility issues and lead to the update unavailable with this Apple ID error. Updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version can help resolve the problem. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update if one is available. Fix 7. Use iOS System Recovery. An iOS system issue may cause the update unavailable with this Apple ID error even when your Apple ID works correctly. A professional iOS repair tool like iOS System Recovery can fix App Store, update, and Apple service errors without erasing your device data, unlike a factory reset. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer, then launch the program and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Step 2. Select iOS System Recovery from the main interface and click Start to diagnose iOS system issues. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode to repair iOS system problems without deleting your personal data, then click Confirm to continue. Step 4. Verify your iPhone information, download the matching firmware package, and click Repair to fix system issues affecting Apple ID verification and App Store updates. Step 5. Wait for the repair process to finish. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After that, open the App Store and try updating the app again to check whether the update unavailable with this Apple ID error has been resolved.